If you're worried about what lot size mean, don't worry, in the next few minutes you're going to understand what lot size is. So lot size is simply just the size of your trade. I'm pushing into an example. Let's look at a bag of rice. When you purchase a bag of rice, you have a smaller quantity. That's a smaller amount. But when you purchase 10 bags of rice, you have a larger amount. That's just how it is also in trading. So it just means the bigger the size, the bigger the profit you can make, and it also means the bigger your losses. So moving forward, we have the 0.01 lot size, we have the 0.10 lot size, and we have the 1 standard lot. The 0.01 lot size is the micro lot, which when it moves, you are either losing $1 per pip. But on the 0.10 lot, whether you lose per pip is either $10 or you profit $10. And on the 1 standard lot, you are making $100 or losing $100 on 1 pip. So this is how it is. The market is still moving in the same direction, just that your VIX matters. So that's how I did the example of the bag of rice, if you can remember. Moving on to one of our main questions. So if I'm to ask, does a bigger lot size matter or means a better trading? The answer is no, because most professional traders don't just increase their lot size anyhow. They increase their lot size based on their account size. So for you to have an account, you have to measure what lot size is going to work with your particular account. You don't just increase your lot size because you feel like. This is what they call proper risk management. You have to make sure you analyze and know what lot size fits your account. What a beginner trader should do when trying to pick the right lot size. First of all, you have to know within yourself how much you feel comfortable you can risk. And by doing that, you have to check your account size. You have to know the kind of percentage you want to be risking per trade. For example, risking 1% of your account, and doing other analysis to make sure that whatever you are losing, you are comfortable with losing it. Scenarios, you can also look at this lot size just like you driving a car and you are driving at 40 kilometers per hour. And you know that at 40 kilometers per hour, you're going to get to your destination safely. So, but knowing that, okay, you want to try to go to your destination faster and you want to run at 180 kilometers per hour, you know you are going to get to your destination faster, but there might be some barriers, there might be some crashes on the way. That's just how trading is. In trading, you can also feel like, okay, I need to raise my lot size to make a certain amount of money, and that's why some beginners end up blowing account and crashing on their profits. Firstly, the goal is not just about how much you make or the biggest profit that you're making. The goal is about remaining in the game and staying consistent in the game. That's the main goal of being a trader, your profitability and your percentage of how much you have made and how consistent you are. We have come to the end of this video, but I also want you to know and understand one fact, that your lot size doesn't make you a profitable trader. Your risk management does. So you have to master your risk management first and the profit follows. I'd like you to like, comment and subscribe to this channel so you can get more friendly Forex lessons. Thank you.